Hi, so I'll try to explain how I use Excel to make simple web pages. The reason I do this is because I often have to share files with collaborators. Everyone has their own structure to save documents, and that means that if you want to share information, you have to look for where they put this file, where they put that file. Alternative is to send everything via mail, but that clutters up your mailbox. So I created this working method as an alternative. So as you can see, this is a regular Excel file. The important thing here is to first think about what structure you want. So as you can see, I just named them subject A, subject B, and so on. Of course, you adapt those labels as you like. It's not programming, it's just using an Excel file, so that means that if you want to change that information, you have to adapt that with every file you use. But those are just the main categories. Those stay the same most of the time, so that's not that big of a problem. The other thing to take in account here is that to have the file as stable as possible, also visual, the best thing is to use the same layout, and I put, as you see here, these lines, that kind of frames the area in which we'll put content. That area has been calculated so that once you open it as a web page, you don't have to scroll. You don't have to scroll up and down, you don't have to scroll left or right. You just use it as a regular web page. That saves you more clicks. So inserting a link is very simple, so I'll just put in a test link here. Okay, I've got this in bold and underlined. I'll just eliminate that. Yeah, okay, I hope you can see it. And so you just click on the cell, then you go to insert hyperlink, and then you select here to which spot to which file you want to put a link. So here I just can put a link to this file. Alternatively, just put here test2. You can see that. Okay. So you can also just type in an address, a web page. So I don't know if it focuses enough, but put here. So http://www.secondclean.com. Okay, so this is saved as a file, or saved as a link. Now I'm going to save it as a web page. Yeah. Okay. Continue. All right. Yeah. Just one too many. And now if I reload the page, voila, you can see the files, or the links rather, have appeared here. This was the link to the 2-second clean web page, so I just click the link, and it takes some time, and there you go. There's the 2-second clean website. Very nice, very good website with lots of useful information. And so this is an example I made previously. Like you see, you can use underlining, bold, to put extra structure in your files, or rather in the access page. You can put in links to any kind of source. This is another one, to a OneNote file on Toyota Kata, also a very good book on how Toyota teaches their people Lean. So this is just a OneNote page. You can put in links to whole folders, so as you see, you can actually do pretty much what you want. The big advantage I find is that this is an easy way to retrieve documents you don't use often but that are important, or to files you do use often, and this is a way to save few clicks. So yeah, this is about it. Hope you find it useful.